Adobe's new AI tool turns your random mouth noises into Hollywood-quality sound effects. Adobe just broke the internet with their latest Firefly update, and it's absolutely wild. You can now literally make silly sounds with your mouth, like whoosh or bang, and their AI will turn them into professional-grade sound effects that sound like they came straight from a Hollywood studio. The tool reads your vocal cues for timing, volume, and intensity, then generates realistic audio that matches perfectly. Content creators are already going crazy over this because it means you can craft custom sound effects for your videos without needing expensive equipment or sound libraries. Just make the sound, and Adobe's AI does the rest. It's like having a whole sound design team at your fingertips, and it's available right now through their web platform.